It's Rebecca.
And it's Michaela.
And this
today's
is
video is our
summer clothing haul.
Hey guys, on to my portion of the haul. I'm Michaela, if you don't completely know me yet. So I have just a couple things, but I figured I'd toss them in this haul just because. So these are blank NYC, adorable little distressed shorts. They've got cute fringe, and it's actually funny because Crystal bought them for herself. And I have an impossible time finding shorts. Years ago, I bought a couple Free People skirts, one of which I lost, which I don't know how that happened. But my sister Crystal found this for herself at Marshall's, and it was only $20, it was on sale. But it's Free People, and it fits me perfectly. This is actually from Rebecca. My mom bought it for Rebecca, and it just didn't fit quite right. And I have not tried it on, so I'm not even actually sure if it's gonna fit me. But I'm hoping it will, because it's the most beautiful floral romper that I was so jealous when she got it. And slightly happy that she offered it to me. Then I have this dress, which I actually wore on vacation last year. It's the most beautiful, embellished ink petite dress, which it's not easy to find things because I am shorter than my sisters. So it's actually slightly harder for me to find things I won't trip over. And the last thing I have is this dress that I actually bought. I couldn't even remember when I bought it. I don't have that many clothes, so I don't normally put something in my closet and forget that I own it. But when I found this in my closet the other day and I was like, did I really buy that? And now I remember I bought it and I never wore it. I can't think if this is like a white tie-dye. It's got these beautiful embellished little fake crystal-y things. Hey guys, it's Crystal and long time no see. The first item is by the brand STS Blue, and I'd actually never heard of this brand before, but you can find it at Macy's. So my next item is also by STS Blue, and you can tell I'm into denim skirts. This is a lighter wash, and it's interesting because I really have not had many light wash skirts, so I was excited to try them out. So my next item is another light wash denim skirt, obviously the same size. This is called the Emily mini skirt, and it's perfect to pair with sandals and like a casual top. And it really helps when you're petite because it's not the longest skirt, so it gives you more leg. My next item I ordered on Poshmark, and I promise this isn't sponsored in any way, but I got this for a really good deal, and it said it was new without tags. It's sort of like a peacock pattern, and it's by the brand Bebe in size extra small. It also has a zipper on the back right here, and it's cool because it sort of blends in. So my last and final item is this cutout mini dress. It's actually sort of short, but it has these cutouts on the sides, and it's by the brand Bebe. And this is sort of a neon, I don't know about neon, it's just bright pink, purple, and blue.
Hey guys, I'm Rebecca, so I'm going to start off with my little haul for you. To start, I want to show you actually one of my favorite blouses that I picked up at Macy's. As you can see, it's surplice, which it really is my favorite shirt style ever. Okay, I lied, this is probably one of my favorites. So I actually picked this up last year and didn't wear it. So this is a keyhole beaded blouse, and it's a halter top. So it's one of my favorite styles. So this brings me to my next piece, which is actually a halter dress in the exact same pattern with the exact same keyhole. And I actually got this before I found the top, and I saw that they were the same pattern and it was a shirt, and I kind of freaked out. I actually found this years ago, but I just bought it on Poshmark recently, and I ended up getting it for like $20 plus shipping, which came to like $25 on Poshmark. So I was super excited. It said it was new without tags. It's a keyhole halter, which is kind of a common theme you'll see in my haul. And my next item, you won't be surprised to see, is actually another halter dress by International Concepts. And it's also a petite dress in the size petite. I picked up this bad boy right here. It's also by, I think, Flying Monkey Platinum. What I like about this is it was longer. It has this V in the front and some beautiful fringe detail, which I just love that style. As you can see, these are wide leg pants, and they have a beautiful hot pink, which I fell in love with. They have a drawstring too, a little bit of scrunching on the waistband.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon!